Hello and welcome to my channel, where I talk about all things related to the future of the internet. Today, I'm going to explain what Web3 is and why it is important for the future of the internet. You may have heard of Web3 as a buzzword or a trend, but what does it actually mean? And how is it different from the current version of the web that we use every day? To understand Web3, we need to go back in time and look at how the web has evolved over the years. The web that we know today is not the same as the web that was created in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee at CERN. In fact, we can divide the history of the web into three loose periods: Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and Web 3.0. Web 1.0, read-only, 1990 to 2004. Web 1.0 was the first version of the web that was mainly static websites owned by companies. There was little interaction between users and content creators. Users could only read information from websites, but not write or contribute to them. This is why Web 1.0 is also known as the read-only web squared. Web 2.0, read-write, 2004 now. Web 2.0 emerged with the rise of social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. These platforms allowed users to create and share their own content and engage with other users. Users could now read and write information on the web, but not own it or benefit from its monetization. This is why Web 2.0 is also known as the read-write web squared. However, Web 2.0 also came with some drawbacks. As more people came online, a handful of top companies began to control a disproportionate amount of the traffic and value generated on the web. These companies collect and sell user data, censor content, manipulate algorithms, and impose fees on transactions. Users have little control over their own data, privacy, and security on the web squared. Web 3.0, read-write-own. Web 3.0 is the vision for a new version of the web that uses blockchain technology to give power back to the users in the form of ownership. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that records transactions in a transparent and immutable way without relying on a central authority or intermediary. Web 3.0 enables users to read, write, and own information on the web squared. Some of the features of Web 3.0 include cryptocurrencies, digital currencies that are decentralized, peer-to-peer, and programmable. NFTs, non-fungible tokens that represent unique digital assets that can be owned and traded on the blockchain. DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations that are governed by smart contracts and collective decision-making. DeFi, decentralized finance that offers alternative financial services without intermediaries or regulations. DApps, decentralized applications that run on distributed networks without centralized servers or platforms. The benefits of Web3 for users include ownership. Users can own their data, content, identity, and assets on the web and benefit from their value creation. Privacy. Users can control how their information is shared and accessed on the web without third-party surveillance or tracking. Security. Users can trust that their transactions and interactions are verified and protected by cryptography and consensus mechanisms. Interoperability. Users can access and use different applications and services on the web without being locked into silos or walled gardens. Inclusion. Users can participate in the web regardless of their location, identity, or status without barriers or discrimination. Web3 is still in its early stages and faces some challenges such as scalability, adoption, regulation, education, and user experience to the power of 4. However, its potential is vast and exciting for the future of the internet. Conclusion. Web3 is a vision for a new and improved internet that empowers users and fosters a more open and decentralized online ecosystem. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the internet and each other, and could have significant implications for privacy, security, and innovation. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what Web3 is and why it is important. Thank you for watching.